frequently, when I get a little pepperoni for pizza, I have a little day after meal that I usually do. One of my favorite meals, and that is pepperoni and eggs. If you've never done it, do it. And the process and the point at which you would be making scrambled eggs, where you would take your pepperoni and you would put a little oil in your pan before you make whatever you're gonna make, like some scrambled eggs. Lay down a few pieces of pepperoni, kind of cut into smaller pieces, okay? Fry it up for a second, you'll see it'll release some of the oil. And then take your egg, and then put your egg in, and then cook your egg in, and cook the pepperoni and the egg together. You have little bits of pepperoni in your scrambled egg. Then when it comes out, take a little hot sauce. The best breakfast ever. Hey, I'm Matt, streaming to you as always from Brooklyn.